So I had the task of building a brand new gaming setup, and here I pretty much have everything that I need to build it. I started off with the desk because that's usually the most time consuming to put together. Using a drill does help speed things up. Next, it was the chair's turn. Now this chair is one of the comfiest chairs I've ever sat on. It's the ideal gaming chair, so thank you Autofull for that. On top of the desk, I placed my 2 gaming monitors, with my Xbox Series X sandwiched in between. My mini PC will be connected to one of the monitors while the other is connected to my Xbox. For the mini PC, I got a brand new keyboard, mouse, and headset. For decor, I have some RGB hex lights. I connected them all together so they are synced, and that is pretty much it, guys. This gaming setup is valued at about $2,000. If you want to see me build more gaming setups like this one, make sure you check out my channel, and why not subscribe. Watch me build this setup real quick. We'll start with a small gaming desk. Cool specs include a headset hook and drink holder. On top of that, the RGB lighting capabilities on the side. My giant Next Gaming Zone mousepad will go in the center. Behind it, my monitor will take its place. My favorite gaming console, the Xbox Series X, will go on the left side of the monitor. I got some new NJSJ gaming RGB speakers for when I want to enhance my audio. Oh yeah, and my custom Xnomic gaming chair will be my chair of choice here. More accessories going on this desk include this epic Xbox X USB lamp. I got this for decorative purposes, as well as this cheap $10 fan to keep me cool while I game. I added a lamp below the desk to help with the light show, and lastly, it doesn't hurt to have some snacks handy when gaming. Alright guys, don't forget to follow me for more content like this.